Hello, it's Big Chuds, and this is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Chuds Trading. You can find me on Twitter at Big Chuds and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we're going to take a look at one of my favorite quotes. This is from my third book, Trading Quotes, A Daily Dose of Trading Wisdom, published in 2022, I believe. And as you know, I'm making the entire book free. I have a separate playlist just for this book where I'm doing the entire book for free, piece by piece. And I'm also doing some of the favorite quotes here in the Trading Encyclopedia playlist. So we're going to take a look at one of the quotes from the second quarterly wrap-up. I look at my favorite quotes from the second 3-month period in the year, and one of them is this. A true chart technician can articulate both the bearish and bullish thesis. No blind spots. So you really want to, this is about checking yourself. This is a mindfulness concept. And, when you look at a chart, you can have a really strong idea and you can think you know where the price is headed. And that's normal. It's normal to have a really strong feeling. But you want to be open to new information that may prove your idea, your trade idea, your investment idea wrong. So what you want to do is look at the chart and think, well, what might I be missing, right? Firstly, you definitely want to see, where will my trading idea fail? Where will my thesis fail? If I'm here because there's a breakout, right? If I'm long because there's a breakout, well, if that key level that you just broke out of, if the price fails to hold, then your idea is no good anymore. So you want to always consider, what might I be missing? And you want to consider both the bullish and the bearish thesis. If it's a breakout, you say, okay, that's the bullish thesis. The bears might say, well, this is a breakout, but it's going to fail. It's likely to form an upthrust, a failed breakout. And this is where that idea will become valid. So you want to consider the alternative viewpoints, to understand where to place your stop loss. Because again, your stop loss is when that trading idea fails, when the trading idea becomes invalidated. So you want to try to find a way, if possible, to argue for both sides of the trend. It doesn't mean be wishy-washy. It doesn't mean, have no opinion. It doesn't mean, I don't know, I don't have any opinion, which is okay. But even if, and especially when you have a very strong opinion and you think you know exactly where the price is going, ask yourself, well, what is the other side? What might the other argument be? Let me examine that. And let me see where that might become valid. And that will help you check your current thesis, your current trading idea. It's going to help you to avoid getting caught off guard and having no blind spots. And that's important. You want to have no blind spots. You want to be able to adapt when you get new information in the chart. So a true chart technician can articulate both the bearish and bullish thesis. No blind spots. This is a quote from my third book, Trading Quotes, A Daily Dose of Trading Wisdom. Get the entire book for free in the Trading Quotes playlist. I'm more than halfway through that. I'll record another video soon. And this is for the Trading Encyclopedia. Find me on Twitter at Big Chuds and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. Folks, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Big Chuds out.